Hello, we are putting together the door. Hopefully it goes as smoothly as the window vents. Nice thing about the window vents is there was 4 of them, so it only took me an hour to do the first one to figure out how easy it was to do the remaining 3. So those are 2 of them? Oh. Here comes Willow with my copy. Hi, Willow. I have like weirdly strong fingernails.
Like immediately makes my hand cramp.
Okay, I'm gonna use some pliers to finish pulling it through.
There, that's the ticket.
It was like going so smoothly. Oh, it's nice and cool. So we had like a major storm and hail while we have the frame of the monopod up. The Climapod. Monopod.
All right.
Heather's caulking. Up and over. So you do the front and the back.